What are the monitoring differences between AWS, Azure, and GCP? Imagine managing a busy city with 3 different control towers. Each one has its own way of keeping an eye on everything happening below. That's similar to how Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform monitor their cloud environments. They all track how applications perform, stay available, and stay secure, but they do it differently. Starting with Amazon Web Services, they use a tool called Amazon CloudWatch. Think of it as a dashboard that shows real-time data about your servers, databases, and applications. It collects metrics like CPU usage, disk activity, and network traffic. You can set alarms to get notified if something goes wrong or automate responses using AWS Lambda, which runs code automatically. AWS also has CloudTrail, which logs every API call made in your account. This helps with security audits and tracking user activity. Microsoft Azure offers Azure Monitor, a broad tool that gathers data from all your Azure resources and applications. It includes Azure Monitor logs, which lets you run queries on your data to find issues quickly. Application Insights is part of Azure Monitor, focusing on how your apps perform and where they might be slow or failing. Azure Activity Logs record control plane operations like creating or deleting resources, giving you a clear picture of what's happening at the management level. Google Cloud Platform has cloud monitoring, which not only tracks Google Cloud resources but can also monitor AWS and on-premises systems. It provides customizable dashboards, uptime checks, and alerts to notify you of problems. Cloud Logging manages logs from your applications and infrastructure, making it easy to analyze issues. Google also offers CloudTrace to analyze latency and Cloud Profiler to see how resources are being used in real time. When it comes to security, AWS has GuardDuty, a threat detection service that uses machine learning to spot malicious activity. It works with CloudTrail logs to give a full security picture. Azure Security Center offers unified security management and threat protection, and Azure Sentinel is a security information and event management system that uses analytics and threat intelligence to detect issues. GCP's Security Command Center helps manage risks across your environment, while Google Chronicle uses artificial intelligence to find threats and analyze security data. Each platform's approach reflects its philosophy. AWS focuses on lifecycle monitoring and automation, making it easy to respond to changes quickly. Azure aims for simplicity and clarity, aligning monitoring with business needs and compliance. GCP emphasizes collaboration and continuous improvement, using AI to help teams work better together and fix issues faster. For automation, AWS integrates CloudWatch with Lambda and CloudFormation for quick responses. Azure uses logic apps and automation to trigger workflows based on monitoring data. GCP connects its tools with Cloud Functions and Cloud Run for event-driven actions. Logging is also different. AWS CloudTrail logs every API call across your account, which is great for security audits. Azure Activity Logs track control operations, and Azure Monitor logs give deep insights into resource telemetry. GCP's Cloud Audit logs record administrative and data access activities, helping with compliance and investigations. In the end, all 3 platforms offer strong monitoring tools, but their focus areas differ. AWS is great for managing the full lifecycle and security threats. Azure provides clear, business-aligned data with powerful analytics. GCP emphasizes collaboration, AI-driven insights, and continuous improvement. Your choice depends on what your organization values most, whether it's automation, security, or teamwork.